Facial essence in the skincare routine is all about a proper glow recipe that actually works for every skin tone. It is one kind of liquid treatment that infuses your skin with proper hydration and anti-aging benefits. Its lightweight texture works amazing for layering. Moisture is the essence of wetness, but dry skin most likely loses moisture very quickly. So facial essence is here for the rescue. Here we have rounded up the 5 best facial essences that are specially formulated for dry skin only. Let's check them out.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users, so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
If you have dry skin, the ISNTREE Clear Skin 8% AHA Essence is right here for you that will remove dryness from your skin with proper hydration. It has a high concentration of AHA ingredients that help to make your rough skin texture smooth and supple. It also contains 4% glycolic acid and 4% lactic acid that works to cleanse your pores with improved skin tone and dull-looking skin. It's one application that removes mild keratin from your skin surface and reveals more flexible skin. It comes with a gel-like texture plus absorbs into your skin with proper moisture. This non-irritant product is not tested on animals as well. The ISNTREE Clear Skin 8% AHA Essence has earned tons of positive reviews on Amazon as it is easy to use and helps to clear skin along with stubborn blackheads. This essence also didn't receive any negative feedback. It's time to check out the ratings now. We were happy with the efficiency and value of this product, so giving it 5 stars on those. But in terms of user acceptance, it'll get 4 stars only. Achieve soft and supple skin tone at your own home salon with the majestic treatment of Tatcha The Essence. It is formulated with Hetasei 3, which is the trio of fermented Japanese superfoods that is known to make your skin routine more effective. The power-packed ingredients are Akita rice, uji green tea, and Okinawa algae that help you to achieve radiant, healthy-looking skin at every age. This non-irritating dermatologist-tested product is rich in amino acids that effectively support your skin's moisture, keeping factors with brightening effect. It's cruelty-free and doesn't contain mineral oil, synthetic fragrance, or sulfate. Tatcha The Essence has earned the trust of many users as it softens facial wrinkles, leaves skin soft and silky, and wrinkles are lessened. Users love how it moisturizes and pumps the skin. But then again, a few users said it's not worth the price. Moving on to the ratings now. We were impressed with the value and outcome delivered by the product itself, so giving it 5 stars on those. But it falls a bit on the pricier side, so it'll get 4 stars on that. The Primera Miracle Seed Essence is our next pick for you, which contains potent cocktails of moisture-replenishing ingredients. This facial essence is rich in amino acids and polyphenols, which works best in dry skin and helps to increase your hydration level. Lotus seed extract helps to protect your skin against environmental factors, meanwhile refine pores with even skin tone. Its active ingredients help to improve your skin elasticity, plus it doesn't contain any artificial fragrance, so without worrying a bit, you can try this one. This essence is also formulated without paraben and mineral oil. Apart from that, it's dermatologist tested for your convenience. The Primera Miracle Seed Essence has earned many positive reviews and feedback. That's because it makes skin very smooth and soft. Users love the product and they love how it brings clarity and better texture to the skin. Although, a few users complain that it caused breakouts. Let's rate the essence. The entire value and affordability of this product really impressed us. so earning it 5 stars overall. If you want to achieve better skin texture with brightening effect, the MISSHA Time Revolution, the first treatment essence RX, might be the right choice for you. It is formulated with a double fermentation method that helps to hydrate, moisture, and improve your skin's elasticity at the same time. The key ingredients include cica enzyme, pearl reef extracts that are known to balance skin plus reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Rice extract in the essence helps to make skin smooth and bright the way you always wanted. This essence is a suitable option for dry skin as it has soothing benefits. Its unique technique helps to absorb into your skin closely. The MISSHA Time Revolution, the first treatment essence RX, pleasantly surprised its users as it is very moisturizing, and users also love this because of its super hydrating ingredient. But as it goes, a few users said they didn't notice any difference on their skin. It's time to check out the ratings now. We were overwhelmed with the entire formula and affordability of this product, so it'll get 5 stars in total. The COSRX Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence is our top pick for today's video that intensely replenishes and revitalizes your skin with just a small amount of it. It contains 96.3% of filtrate snail secretion that especially works to protect skin's natural moisture and improve skin's elasticity. The lightweight and moisturizing texture infused with the goodness of sodium hyaluronate and sodium polyacrylate that gives you long-lasting hydration. It easily absorbs into the skin and instantly delivers natural glow from inside. It's a cruelty-free brand plus formulated without paraben, sulfate, and phthalates. This hypoallergenic essence is also dermatologist tested for safety. The COSRX Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence is a highly recommended product on Amazon as it helps dry skin and works miracles for acne and hyperpigmentation. But then again, some users are not happy with their purchase. Let's rate the product now. We were absolutely happy with the overall effectiveness and affordability of this essence, so giving it 5 stars in all 3 aspects. So that was all about the 5 best facial essences that are specially formulated for dry skin only. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.